that relieves it expertly, really well. Counterforce strap. So now let's talk about the mechanics of this. So just like the tennis elbow video, where the muscles are anchored on the outside part of the elbow, on the golfer's elbow, they're anchored on the inside part of the elbow. I like the Bandit Counterforce strap. And I'll put a link to this on Amazon in the description. So you would put this on and you'd make it pretty firm. I tell people to just put it on snug plus a little extra. You don't want to choke off your blood flow and all that and cause problems. Push the skin under there. There you go. So it should be snug. So now more of I changed the anchor point. So without the strap, all of the tugging is happening here at the inside part of the elbow. With the strap on, now I changed the anchor point, so no more of the pulling is coming from where the strap is, and it's allowing this area to rest.